Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Tobias, and in today's video I'm doing an unboxing and review of Confidential Collection. They put together these mystery boxes of streetwear clothing for men, and they are actually not a subscription service. You actually just pay for the box when you want it, and you're not tied into like a recurring monthly charge. So right here I have their premiere case. It should come with 3 to 4 items in it, and it costs $60. That is just like the ThreadBeast basic package. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I do a bunch of ThreadBeast unboxings. And Confidential Collection, they actually have several tiers of packages you can order. They have the premiere case, which is the one I have here, which comes with 3 to 4 items for $60. They have the deluxe case, which comes with 5 to 6 items for $80. Then there's the Elite case, 7 to 8 items for $120. The Superior case, 9 to 10 items for $169.99. And then there's the Diamond case, which comes with 11 to 12 items for $230. Then they do have the VIP case, which comes with 13 to 15 items plus 1 pair of footwear for $300. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this up, and I just wanted to mention really quick, Confidential Collection did send me this for free so that I could make this video. I just wanted to mention that before I get started here. And it looks like they send it via US Postal Service, which is cool. Okay, where do I open this thing? Alright, we're just gonna have to open it like this, because... Alright, let's see what we got. Alright. So, like I said earlier, guys, I believe it should come with 3 to 4 items. Yep, that's everything from inside the box. Let's put that on the floor. Oh, cool. They even have a little Confidential Collection sticker holding the paper closed. That's pretty nice. Clothes are folded nicely. So right here, we have a Huff t-shirt. Nice. Whoa, and it has a tag on it that says $34. So let's look at what kind of shirt we have here. So yeah guys, the way this works, and once again I will link their website down in the description below, but the way this works is you have to give them your size, like pants size, shirt size, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's how you get the correct sizing of clothing in your box. I like this shirt a lot, guys. We got a nice little Huff pocket logo right here, and then on the other side we have, oh, that's kind of interesting. What is this? Oh, is this the chemical composition of THC? I guess it probably is. But yeah, pretty cool shirt. Alright guys, I like that shirt a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it off to the side so we can see the next item. So that's one. Next thing, we got an Obey shirt. Whoa, nice. Cool, pretty basic logo with a little butterfly. Pretty nice. It has a tag on it, so I like that. I like how the shirts still have the tags on them. That's pretty cool. And then on the back, plain back. But I really like the, yeah, really nice. All right, guys. We're off to a pretty good start so far. So that's item number 2. And here is item number 3. And it looks like, what is this? Oh, it's a Crooks and Castles t-shirt. It looks like they're kind of going for the the rip of the Gucci logo, I guess you can say. But yeah, pretty cool shirt. I like this one a lot. And once again, guys, it has the tag on it. I like that. Awesome, guys. Really cool. And then right here we have, oh shoot, a Thrasher t-shirt. Nice. Oh, and then we got 2 stickers right here. 2 Confidential Collection stickers. I love stickers. And even this Thrasher t-shirt comes with a sticker as well. So what does it say? It just says Thrasher Magazine. I like the logo they have here. Pretty cool. It's like dripping with blood. Pretty nice. And on the back, nothing. Awesome, guys. So I got some pretty nice shirts here. So we got 4 t-shirts, all with tags on them. Whoa, I just realized something really interesting. Look at the size of the collar on this Obey shirt. That is a thick collar. Probably has a name, but I don't know what it's called. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and try these on right now. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna put these glasses on real quick because I just remembered I have like a massive pimple between my eyes and these glasses kind of hide it. But anyways guys, when it comes to my final review of Confidential Collection, I know this video isn't supposed to be about this, but I can't help but compare it to ThreadBeast. And if the packages are consistently as good as this one that I opened today, I think I would actually prefer Confidential Collection to ThreadBeast. Because while ThreadBeast does include brands that you've heard of in your packages, such as Diamond Supply Co., Grizzly, etc., they pretty often put in brands that like people have never heard about, like Classic, Halfway Dead, Staple. But the brands that we got in this box, like everybody's heard of these brands. Crooks and Castles, Obey, Thrasher, and Huff, everybody's heard of those. And while I'm not a huge brands guy, like I don't really care about brands that much, it's kind of easier to determine whether you've gotten a good value or not when you've heard of the brands that you're getting. I mean, for $60, we got 4 t-shirts. We're talking about $15 per t-shirt, and I think that's a pretty good deal. Plus, all the shirts fit me well. They all had their tags on them. They're brand new. I have quite a few shirts that I've gotten from ThreadBeast that they're just too small for me and they don't fit. But these are all good-sized shirts. They fit me perfectly, and they're brands that I've actually heard of. So I really like this. I think this is a pretty good box. Once again, I will have the link to their website down in the description below in case you would like to check it out. And of course, guys, I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about what I got in this box. And if you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!